Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel leelawebdev. Now we have created the components. So let's see what could be the output. If you try to see here, we are getting some error. So let's go into our app.js and let's see what could be the error here. Yeah, the error here is the friends list and also the friends list we are using the same name. So let's try to convert this one to friends and also the set friends. Okay, so this could be somewhat fine. So now this is the friends and this is set friends. Fine. Let's go into here and now we are able to see the output. Fine. Now if you see the components in this one, let's see the components in this one. No, I don't know why the components are not coming. Inspect the element again. Yeah, and go to the components. Now we are able to see the three components. Let's try to add some design and we'll focus on this add friend. So I will try to keep these all add friends and all those things here. I will take this one as a container. Okay, and let's make this one as a container and app.css. Let's remove this all app.css and container, and in this container let's make this one as width as 80% and margin auto, and I want to, so fine, right? So I will make this one as star border box. So what I want to do is box sizing. So box sizing border box. I will try to make it a box sizing border box, and let's take the body and I will apply the font size. I'm applying the font size as 20 pixel, and I will give the font family as sans serif. Fine, this is also completed. Let's see whether how could this output. Yeah, fine. And add friend and build share should come side by side. Okay, let's go here, dot container, or otherwise directly we can take this container as display flex. I will keep this one as a display flex. Let's see what could be the output here. All things are coming one by one. Okay, and here flex wrap, I will try to make it as a wrap, and dot container which is greater than div, and here flex one, I will make it as a flex one, and also if you want to make it as a flex basis also, that's not a problem. So fine, these are coming one by one. So here it should be, I will make this one as flex basis 50%. So each one should take equal height, something like that. Yeah. So now we are having like this. Now fine, we are able to see this one add friend. Now let's design this add friend component. And here I am going into here in our add friend thing. I am removing this one all. Okay. So here I am creating a form, and in this form we will be having one div, and here I will be having one label. So we need to add the friend name. So we need to add a friend name, and here I will be adding one input. Type is equal to text. Type is equal to text. So here I will be having one text, and let's go to have another div. So here another div, I will be having button for this one. I will be having a button, and for this one class name is equal to btn, and add friend, I will be having add friend. Fine. Let's see the output, how it will look like. Yeah, fine. And here we will be having one h3 add friend. I am adding this one like this. Let's go into our app.css, and here I will be adding a form. Okay, and inside this form greater than div, so I want to apply a margin of 10 pixel comma 0 pixel, and here inside the form label I will make it as a display block so that it will come one by one down. And if you see the output, fine. So everything is looking fine. And this add friend also we will design the button. So for this one, so dot btn we will be having border none and padding of 10 pixel comma 15 pixel, and the background color we can apply anything, so light coral or anything, and color I will make it as a white. So enough, I think, more fully. So fine, add friend is done. Now when I try to add this friend, we need to add it in the friends list. So fine, let's go here and in our add friend. So for this form or otherwise we will try to have a name constant, name comma set name is equal to use state of empty. So for the first time it will be empty, and here we will be having a value of name and value name, and on change we need to apply you will get it, and set name of e.target.value. So we have applied the value for this one. So everything is looking fine, right? So what we have did, so now if you try to change the value for this one, so let's refresh this page, and here I am going into the add friend, and for this one we are having a new entry. Now when I try to change the value for this one, automatically the value is getting updated. So the state value is getting updated. Fine. Now when we submit this form, okay, on submit, so we need to call on submit, we need to call on add friend. Okay, so we will be having, or otherwise add friend, we have some method, and here so we will be having a function add friend. Okay, and we need to get an event, so we will get an event here. So we need to do the event dot prevent default. We will do the event dot prevent default, and we got the name, and we'll send this what I can say is add friend value to the main app.js file. So for this one here we'll be having function here also add friend. Okay, so add friend, we'll get the name here. So what we will try to get is we'll get the name here, and here what we need to do is set friends of, so we will get friends data, and here what you will do is, so friends, and we need to push id date dot now. Okay, and the name is nothing but the name which you are trying to push it, and the last one is the build details. So we need to have the build details also, right? I am keeping it as an empty. That's it. So we need to pass this add friend here on add friend is equal to, I will pass this one method. So on add friend, here in our add friend, so here I will get this one as a props, and here I will call this one on add friend of, I need to pass the name. That's it. So now if you see the output, let's see that whether we are able to add this one in our friends list or not. So here I am adding one friend, so let's add my name Leela, and if I click on this one, so here it's still getting the components thing. Let's see here, yeah, we got the components, and here we have added it, and let's go to the app, and if you try to see the app here, so here we are able to see a data. So that is nothing but build details, we got it, and we have added unique ID, and the name is also added in the friends list. So now the first step is completed. So add friend, this one is working fine. Now we need to show all the friends list details here. So if you want to show the friends list details, it's fine. So it's up to you, you can show it. So you can do it on your own. So let's try to work on this bill share, or otherwise friends bill share also will try to work it, and this one also will try to do it. So that's it guys about this one. So what I will do is I will commit this code in our new branch, that is nothing but video-34. Okay, and whoever may be having doubts or anything, so here add friend component setup, so we have did it, and I will commit this all the code. So whoever may be having doubts and all those things, so they can refer to my code. So the GitHub repository URL is provided in the link description below. So React18, if you try to see here, this is my GitHub repository URL. Fine, right? So here you will be able to see it. This is our thing. Whoever may be having doubts or anything, so if you want to refer the code, so you can go to that particular video branch and you can check it. Hope you understood about this one. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.